Hey, Aaron here with GirlOnUglyWeeds.com. Today I'm at a Zoysia grass lawn, and I wanted to show you what a thin-bladed Zoysia grass lawn might look like in mid-September. And this is either Emerald, Xeon, or Trinity. I can't tell by looking. I'm not that gangster. But here we go. Let's get into the analysis of this. That is mid-September, and the lawn looks really good. Something to keep in mind about thin-bladed zoysia grasses like Xeon, Trinity, and Emerald is that they're short-rooted grasses. And even though this customer is watering good, they have some hot spots in the yard. And overall, I would grade this customer an A, right? Because it's really hard to keep your Emerald, Xeon, or Trinity looking this good into mid-September. And we haven't had much rain in a month, so that's why you're seeing some hot spots. This could get a lot worse, and most yards are a lot worse than this at this time of year. They will all the times look like this area here. Now, how you solve this is you have to water more frequent, because these grasses have a short root system and they don't have the drought tolerance of the wider bladed zoysias like Palisades and Jammer. So not all zoysias are created equally. This is a thinner bladed variety. Let's give you a tour. So here what's happening is they have some thin areas, and they're having the clippings accumulate in this area right here, and it's choking out the grass. So this zoysia grass lawn, and all zoysia grass lawns in Denton, Tarrant, and Johnson County and surrounding areas are going to need to get a verticut or power rake 1 to 2 times a year to get this out of here. And that's what's causing these spots right here. You see all that buildup. And if you remove all that, these areas are going to come in just fine. Another way you can avoid these areas is mowing frequency. A lot of times you'll see recommendations online that you can mow zoysia every 10 to 14 days. Well, not with thin bladed. I mean, you can, but you run the risk of thatch buildup. So, and here's kind of another example here. And there'll be some more examples in this backyard. Again, I would give this A. I'll grade this as an A as far as thin bladed zoysias go, mid-September in North Texas. The adjustments I would make to this yarn if it were mine, and the recommendations I'm going to give to the customer, is increase watering frequency. So instead of watering twice a week, they're going to need to water 4 times a week in the hottest part of the summer. That would be July, August, September. And then you can go back to twice a week if you need to other parts of the year. This has some of that thatch accumulation in some spots back here as well. I already walked the yard once and dug out this little spot right here, and that's what I got of it. So that is holding back the yard in these particular areas. So dethatching your thin-bladed zoysia, or even the coarse-bladed zoysias, are a good idea 1 to 2 times a year. So if you want a local professional that knows thin-bladed zoysia grasses like Xeon, Emerald, and Trinity, Grow on Ugly Weeds is the ticket. Give us a call at 1-800-LAWN-CARE if you have a zoysia grass lawn and you want the professional tips. Go to uglyweeds.com now and get true professional advice.